Hello, it's Wolfitchy here. Yes, you heard the title. Because finally, there's a confession. Released now. And thank you all for the wishes of my birthday. And again, sorry for taking this video so long, and for the reminder that I don't know how to make kissing noises, so I use sound effects to use it. Okay, that's it for me speaking. Enjoy the first confession video.
I'm nervous about this. I know that I'm ready to confess to her, but I'm too scared to do it. What if she doesn't like me back and tell me she likes someone else, or if I'm gonna mess everything up? I need to find someone to help me out with this romantic confession thing. Wait, I need someone to help me with. Aha! Pico! Of course! I think he will help me remove this feeling I'm still having. I hope he's not busy.
Hey, Brian, what's up?
Hey, Pico. I know you're busy. If you are, I'm sorry.
It's okay, dude. I'm not busy. I'm just chilling out here on the sidewalk. What's the matter? Do you need anything?
I don't need anything, but I need you to meet me in my house today. I need to talk to you about something.
You want to talk? Sure. I can do that. Just send me the address of your home so I can visit you.
Okay, I will. And thanks, Pico.
No problem. See you at the boyfriend.
Alright, I need to send him my address and then I need to wait for Pico to visit me. Oh, that must be him! Oh, hey Pico! I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah, it took me a while to come here, just for talking.
Yeah, I know.
So, yeah. What do you want to talk about?
Well, do you remember that you and me got together while we fell in love?
Yes. What?
Well, I think I'm in love again.
Oh, you're in love. That's great to hear, man. But, who are you falling in love with?
My best friend.
Oh, you're in love with your best friend, eh? Well, I'm not surprised.
Yeah, the reason why I told you this is because I'm gonna confess to her tomorrow. But I'm scared that she's gonna reject me or something bad will happen. What am I gonna do?
Hey, Bill, it's okay. Don't you remember she always there for you?
Yes?
Then how is she gonna reject you? You're her best friend too. She wouldn't leave by your side. Never.
Oh, okay. That's good to hear. But how can I confess to her perfectly?
You don't have to do it perfectly. Just like you confessed to me. You just have to be yourself, like talk to her, or invite her in a place that both of you guys like.
Okay. I can do that.
Great. Just don't let that feeling control you, man. It's almost turning my time. I gotta go. It's nice to talk to you about confessing your crush.
Hey! It's nice talking to you too, Pico. Alright. I remember what Pico said. I will remember it. Oh, but first, I need to go to bed and get ready tomorrow. Alright, it is time. It's finally time to confess to her today. Oh, I'm very nervous. I never actually done this for a while. What if I... No, stop it. Ow. Focus, boyfriend. Remember what we talked to Pico from yesterday? Don't mess everything up. You can do this. I hope she doesn't mind calling her when she's feeling sleepy. Hello. Is it your boyfriend again? Oh, sorry. I really need to tell you know that it's me. Hey, don't have to apologize. Ah, thanks. Never knew you forgave me that quickly. What's wrong? Nothing's wrong. I was just, the reason why I called you is that, I'm going to the cafe, and I was thinking that you can come with me if you want. If you don't want to go, then it's fine. I will go by myself and get a coffee on my own. You will? That's great. I will wait for you in the shop. Bye. Oh my god. She accepts it. I can't believe she accepted it. Okay, calm down, Mia. Don't panic. You can do this. Oh, you're here! And... Whoa. You look so stunning. No problem. Now come on. Let's go inside and order something. She's sitting right next to me? Oh god. Oh wow, this is the most funniest thing you told me. I like that joke. Yeah. Okay, this time. Don't mess it up. Hey, can I tell you something? So, this is gonna be real dumb to say this, but remember that when we met in the train station? Well, ever since we met there, I never felt so much happier than ever that I made a friend. You were the most amazing, kind, and wonderful person that is on my side, and I really appreciate it. And the truth that I wanted to tell you that I can't say it. I just can't. Okay, fine. I love you, okay? I love you so much. Yes, in a romantic way. The reason why is because you were always there for me, and you were special to me. And ever since we're getting closer and closer, I deeply have feelings for you. I was gonna tell you, but I was too scared that you're not gonna feel the same way as me. And it's okay you don't feel the same way. I understand. Huh? Wait. Why are you... What? Jesus, I, you, you just kissed me on the lips. Oh my gosh, I love it. I really like it so much. Wait. If you kiss me on purpose, then does that mean you have feelings for me too? Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for accepting my feelings. This is the best day of my life. And can I kiss again? That really felt nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. I never knew that you liked me so much. And does that mean that we're a couple now? We are? I'm glad. Are you guys done for today? Huh? Oh, yeah, we're done. And here's the bill as well. Thank you. Have a great day, you two. Bye. You too, miss. Well, that is amazing day with you. Huh? You gotta go? Wait! Can I kiss your cheek before you go? Thank you. Bye, babe. She's so wonderful.
I'm very happy for you, dude.
What? Pico! What are you doing here? Wait. Have you been spying on us?
Nah, I'm not spying on you, lovebirds. Okay, maybe a little, but still, I'm not entirely good at cheering anyone, but you did a great job out there with your new lover.
Thanks, Pico. I didn't count on you. Now, come on.
Alrighty. So, what you plan for having your first date with your new girlfriend?
Pico, stop making me embarrassed. We just got together already.
Alright, fine, I will stop making you embarrassed, but sometimes I will keep making you embarrassed. I'm just kidding.